Hello everyone, I'm Anas, and welcome to my adventure through Italy, a journey to uncover the 10 most breathtaking places in this stunning country. Italy isn't just a country, it's a feeling. Sun on your face in a Tuscan vineyard, laughter in a Roman piazza, the taste of perfect pasta. This trip isn't about checking off famous sites, it's about connecting with the history, culture, food, and especially the people who make Italy so vibrant. I want to share those moments of pure joy, the hidden alleyways, and the awe of standing before something truly ancient. We'll see the icons, but also discover the heart of this place. So grab an espresso and get comfortable. Let's embark on an unforgettable trip through Italy's wonders. Are you ready? Andiamo, let's go. Our first stop is Venice, a city built on water, a real-life fairy tale. With winding canals and romantic gondolas, Venice is a living painting. Step off the train at Santa Lucia and the Grand Canal welcomes you. The city's magic is immediate. Lose yourself in the maze of alleys. Every wrong turn leads to hidden courtyards, tiny bridges, and local wine bars. The true Venice is found in these quiet moments, away from the crowds. Light reflects off the water, changing the city's colors from dawn to dusk. See St. Mark's Basilica and the Doge's Palace, but don't miss a simple Vaporetto ride at sunset. Venice is both grand and intimate, a city of stories and secrets. Yes, take a gondola ride. It's pure romance, drifting under ancient bridges as the city serenades you. Venice isn't a theme park, it's alive, full of history and heart. Artists have tried to capture its beauty for centuries, but nothing compares to being here. This city captures your heart and doesn't let go. Venice is impossible beauty, a testament to human spirit. From Venice we head north to the Dolomites, majestic stone giants rising from emerald valleys. These mountains are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for their pale peaks that glow pink and orange at sunrise and sunset. Whether you're hiking, skiing, or just breathing in the crisp air, the Dolomites offer serenity and adventure. Lago di Braise, with its emerald waters and iconic boathouse, is a must-see. Rent a rowboat and soak in the silence. In winter, the Dolomites Superski area connects charming villages for world-class skiing and hearty mountain food. South Tyrol's blend of Italian and Austrian culture is unique. Here German and Italian. Taste both cuisines. The Dolomites are more than a pretty picture, they're a place to reconnect with nature's raw power. Every trail, every view is humbling and unforgettable. The region's culture, food, and landscapes collide in the most beautiful way. Here, adventure and reflection go hand in hand. The Dolomites are Italy's magnificent crown, a place to breathe, explore, and be amazed. Next, we head south to the Amalfi Coast, a coastline so dramatic it feels sculpted by the gods. Pastel villages like Positano and Amalfi cling to cliffs above sapphire waters, each one a living postcard. The Amalfitana Road twists along the coast, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Wander Positano's steep lanes past bougainvillea and artisan shops, down to the pebble beach. In Amalfi, sip limoncello spritz in the piazza, and try the local lemon cake, Delizia al limone. Ravello, perched high above, offers gardens and views from the Terrace of Infinity that are simply unforgettable. The best way to see the coast? By boat, explore hidden grottos and swim in crystal-clear coves. As the sun sets, the cliffs and villages glow gold, and you understand why this place captures so many hearts. The Amalfi Coast is more than a destination, it's pure, sun-drenched bliss. Every view is a masterpiece, every moment a memory. It's Mediterranean magic at its finest. Here, life slows down and beauty takes center stage. The Amalfi Coast is Italy's coastal jewel. There are cities, and then there is Rome, the eternal city, a living museum of history and art. Walk among ancient ruins, toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain, or sip espresso near the Pantheon. Every step is a journey through time. The Colosseum's grandeur and the Roman Forum's ancient stones connect you to a civilization that shaped the world. Vatican City is a must. St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel are breathtaking, filled with art and faith. My favorite thing? Wandering Trastevere's cobbled streets, finding a trattoria for cacio e pepe, and people watching on the Spanish Steps. The Pantheon, with its oculus open to the sky, is Rome's most magical building, a marvel of architecture and spirit. Rome is chaotic, noisy, beautiful, and unforgettable. Every piazza and fountain tells a story. The city's layers of history are alive in every corner. Rome gets under your skin and stays with you. It's a place where past and present collide. Toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain, they say, it ensures your return. Rome is truly eternal. It's a city you'll want to revisit again and again. Welcome to the heart of Italy. If Italy has a soul, you'll find it in Tuscany, rolling hills, olive groves, and Renaissance art. Florence is the heart, home to Michelangelo's David, the Uffizi Gallery, and Brunelleschi's iconic Duomo. Climb the dome for a panorama of red-tiled roofs and Tuscan hills. But Tuscany's magic is in the countryside. Drive through Chianti, stop at a winery, and savor a glass of local red. Medieval hill towns like San Gimignano and Siena offer history, character, and delicious local food. Sample pecorino cheese, wild boar salami, and enjoy a long lunch at a farmstay. Tuscany is about simple pleasures. Sunsets over golden hills, slow travel and savoring every moment. It's a place to slow down and appreciate beauty in all its forms. Here, art, nature, and food come together in perfect harmony. Tuscany feeds your soul as much as your stomach. This is Italy at its most poetic. Imagine 5 colorful villages clinging to cliffs above a turquoise sea. Welcome to Cinque Terre. These fishing towns, Rio Maggiore, Manarola, Corniglia, Vernazza, Monterosso, are linked by trails, boats, and breathtaking views. Cars are rare. The best way to explore is by train, ferry, or on foot along the legendary Blue Trail. Each village has its own charm. Manarola's sunsets, Vernazza's harbor, Monterosso's sandy beach. Hike through terraced vineyards and olive groves with the sea sparkling below. Try the local pesto and fresh seafood. Anchovies from Monterosso are a delicacy. Cinque Terre invites you to be active. Climb, hike, swim, and discover new views at every turn. It's a vibrant, living painting where every color is brighter. Nature and tradition blend into something truly unique. Cinque Terre is Italy's rainbow by the sea. Next we arrive at Lake Como, where snow-capped Alps meet deep blue waters and elegant villas line the shore. Bellagio, the pearl of the lake, enchants with cobblestone lanes and grand hotels. Verona offers romance and peace, with its lakeside promenade and botanical gardens. Explore opulent villas like Villa Carlotta and Villa del Balbianello, set in lush gardens. The best way to experience Lake Como is from the water. Take a ferry or boat for stunning views. The landscape is both grand and intimate, sophisticated and natural. Lake Como is a breath of fresh mountain air and timeless elegance. It's long been a retreat for artists and dreamers. Here, luxury and nature exist in perfect harmony. Now to Verona, the city of Romeo and Juliet, but with charms far beyond the famous balcony. The Roman arena still hosts operas under the stars, a magical blend of ancient history and living culture. Wander cobbled streets, explore elegant piazzas, and climb the Lamberti Tower for panoramic views. Piazza del Erbe buzzes with life, while Piazza dei Signori offers stately calm. Verona is less crowded than Italy's big cities, making it perfect for slow exploration. Enjoy local Valpolicella wine and risotto alla Marone in a cozy osteria. Verona is a city of music, history, and understated elegance. The real love affair here is with the city itself. We leave the mainland for Sardinia, an island of turquoise waters, white sand, and ancient mysteries. The Costa Smeralda dazzles with glamorous resorts, but Sardinia's wild spirit is everywhere. Hundreds of stunning beaches await, from pink sands to hidden coves like Cala Golorizzi. Inland rugged mountains and ancient traditions offer a different side of the island. Taste porcedu, the island's famous slow-roasted pork, and discover strong rustic flavors. Explore mysterious nuraghi, ancient stone towers whose purpose is still debated. Sardinia is a land of contrasts, glamorous and wild, ancient and modern. One day you're on a perfect beach, the next you're hiking or exploring Bronze Age ruins. It's an island that rewards curiosity and adventure. Sardinia is Italy's secret paradise. Our final stop is Sicily, a land of fiery volcanoes, Greek temples, and unforgettable flavors. Mount Etna dominates the landscape. Touring its slopes is both thrilling and humbling. The Valley of the Temples in Agrigento and Taormina's ancient theater showcase Sicily's rich history. Palermo buzzes with markets, Arab Norman architecture, and incredible street food. Try arancini, panelle, and the freshest cannoli. The Baroque towns of the Val di Noto are UNESCO treasures, rebuilt in ornate style after a massive earthquake. Sicilian cuisine is a tapestry of influences. Every meal is an event. Sicily is passion, drama, and beauty, an island that stays with you. The perfect fiery finale to our Italian adventure. What a journey! From Venice's romance to the Dolomites' majesty, Italy is a canvas of wonders. Each region has its own story, flavor, and soul, waiting for you to explore. I hope this inspires you to seek beauty and connection, wherever you are. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, ciao!